Listen and circle.
Unit 3. At the street market. Page 10. Activity 2. Listen and circle. 1.
This is my can.
2.
This is my bag.
3.
This is my hat.
4.
This is my apple.